Embu health workers have today called off their strike after 23 days of industrial action that paralyzed health services across the county. The health workers started their strike in the county earlier last month over failure by the county government to meet their demands on statutory deductions and inadequate medical supplies, among other demands. The report is by Indakowere.
After 3 weeks of downing their tools, Embu health workers appear to have reached consensus on 20 issues with their employer, the county government, a process that is usually challenging at the best of times, let alone during a strike. The consensus was culminated by signing of return to work formula between Embu County government and health workers leadership, with the workers union leadership calling on their colleagues to report to their workstations in the next 48 hours.
Ni kwamba tumeweza kukubaliana kwa mambo mengine, kuna mambo mengine ambayo tungepata suluhu mara moja, lakini
the Kenya National Union of Nurses chairperson Joseph Ngwasi said that the county government of Embu had agreed to address the health workers' grievances, which were raised during the 3-week industrial action. Failure by the devolved government to remit various statutory deductions to the government agencies, inadequate medical supplies in public hospitals, and regularization of pay packs for workers on contract created enough reasons for the health professionals to flex their muscle and call for the strike earlier last month.
We shall not bury our hands into the sand that the county assembly of Embu is denying funds to the sick. The economy cannot be run by a community that is sick. This is Embu by Embu for Embians.
Embu health workers chairperson Aloyas Njoka on his side asked the county assembly in Embu to allocate more funds to the health budget for smooth operations in the public hospitals within the county. The county deputy governor David Kariuki adopted a conciliatory tone over the issue, promising to engage county health workers to avoid disruption of healthcare provisions in the county.
So the way forward we agreed is to ensure we continue engaging with other unions frequently, conveniently, and of course timely, so that we are able to address some of the issues that affect the work environment as much as possible, and of course quite in advance. So that
Indakowere, Look Up TV, Nairobi.
Thank you, Indakowere. And now we move on to the backbone of the economy.